This alex.com YouTube channel make around 14.2k dollars per month, and this Moonreal YouTube channel make around 13.2k dollar per month, which is more than any software developer's salary. And both are the faceless channel who did not show any face on YouTube but still making more money, just giving the voice to the text and showing the video, random bulk video. So today we will learn how to make this type of video for YouTube and within a 2 minutes. Okay, so before doing any further delay, let's get started. Hello once again. I am Rahul. Welcome to our channel TubeGuruji. In one of my video, I explain about ChatGPT and ways to make money with it. In this video, I will tell you how to make video with an AI ChatGPT within a 2 minutes without showing your face or adding your voice. So go to the ChatGPT website and log into the account. If you don't have a ChatGPT uh, account, then create a new account. Okay. Once you are on this page, just search for the topic which you are interested in. For example, I, I can ask ChatGPT to write a YouTube script along with video shorts on topic 10 skills that AI make useless. That's all. Okay. So ChatGPT will write the points along with the description, everything. Let's see how ChatGPT is going to respond us. Okay. So if you see, it give the what type of video you have to put. Okay. So if you read the first sentence, it's opening shot of robot assembly a car on a factory assembly line. Okay. And what narrator tell that artificial intelligence is rapidly advancing and changing the way we work and live. But as AI becomes more prevalent, there are certain skills that are becoming less and less necessary. Then you can get, okay, there is second shot. Okay. The cashier being replaced by a self-checkout machine. The narrator will tell you something about that one, then second point, then third point, okay, everything. So he will write a 10 points for us along with the description. Okay, and you have to just copy these points. Okay, so let's wait to write all these 10 points, and then I will tell you how can you make video with this script. Okay, so if you see, YouTube give us all the script along with the what type of video you have to add. Okay, along with that title or with that description. Okay, and we got the 10 points, and now he giving the closing shot and the last sentence what we have to say. Okay, so everything is ready. Okay, everything AI give us. Now go to the, this is one site called Pictionary AI. Okay, create an account if you don't have already. I will put the link in the description. Now if you landing on this page, the first option is script to video. Go to that, go to this option and give the title which you want. For example, 10 skills that AI make useless, and add all your points here. Okay, so just copy your points. So I have around 10 points, right? So let me copy it everything. I will copy everything, then I will delete. Okay, so don't say narrator here because this is what we are, means the person is talking. I will remove all the unnecessary text which I don't want. Okay, I will forward this video little bit. And now we are ready with the all the script along with the title and everything. Okay, now click proceed. So it will give the templates, what type of templates do you want. Okay, so if you see and just hover on any of this template, it will give what the text will look like and everything. Okay, so for now I will select this template and whatever the aspect you ratio you want. Okay, for now if you want to develop for the YouTube video, then select 16 as to 9, otherwise for social media 1 as to 1, like that. So I will keep it at 16 as a 9. And now it's generating the and selecting video automatically for your script. So just wait for some moment. So now if you see, right, our video is ready along with the script and everything. And if you see, this is scene 1, scene 2 and all of these scenes. Okay, so if you see, we don't want this scene, right, one dot and it make a different scene. So just remove and delete these scenes because we don't no longer want it. Okay, and just put number. So for example 1, like this. Okay, and all other you can delete it. But if you see, it automatically give you the video regarding related to your script. Okay, you don't need to add any video as well. But if you want to change any video, there are a lot of free without any license video you can find it. Okay, it's a free to use on YouTube. So if you go to the Pixabay video or unplashed video or lot of video, you will get all this video for your script. You can search anything, any video, download it and put it in your project. Okay, once you are here right now, it don't have voice or anything. Okay, so go to the audio in order to add a voice. So go to the audio section and go to the voice over. Okay, here you will find all type of voice. Okay, for example, let's select this voice for Matthew. Okay,
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown
and
that
let's
video
say
increases
apply.
conversion rates by 80%.
Once it apply, you can check the preview how it looks. Okay, so let's see the preview for one of the small part of video and check how it
But as
looks.
AI becomes more prevalent, there are certain skills that are becoming less and less necessary.
Perfect. So it's added video which is for your script, and your video is ready. The voice is also there, so you don't need to put your own voice. Okay, the AI already take care of that one. Okay, so that's all, your video is ready. So you just need to go up to export this. Okay, let me go up, and if you say generate video, it will generate for you. That's all, you are done. Okay, so I made one video. Okay, and I posted on my channel as well, that is completely made by ChatGPT and this tool Pictionary. So it's totally AI generated video. You can check it. I write a description. I wrote the link in the description, so you can check it out. And if you like this video, please press the like button and please subscribe to my channel